Alright, so I'm going to do a 3x3 average of 5. This one is going to be going on Cube Mania. I'll post a link to my account in the description, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you'll notice that I used to do Cube Mania averages on my eCuber account, but unfortunately I haven't logged in it so long I forgot the password for it, so I can't log into it anymore, but I opened up a new one and I'll post a link to that. So, 3x3 average of 5 on Cube Mania. Here we go. Alright, timer. Alright, 2006. Ooh, that was great. 1780. Ooh. Whoops. Sorry about that. There we go. 20.44. 2044. Again, these solves will be on my Cube Mania account if you would like to look at them. Or the scramble, I mean. $20.11. Alright, and the last one. Alright, and 2072 is the final solve. And that ends me up with an average of 20.20 Again, that will be on Cube Mania. Put the link in the description. And that's it.